Hello everyone, this is Jagjit Singh from HSP Construction, and thanks for watching my channel. That's HSP Construction Inc. And thanks for supporting me, and keep supporting. If you're still late, you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Today I'm presenting this video is about legal basement. It's about 1500 square footage. It was a huge basement, has a three bedrooms, two washroom, and one is attached with the bedroom. Another one is there's a common room too. Has a huge kitchen, and we finished the kitchen with the MDF cabinetry with the quartz countertop, and it came out really nice. And hopefully you will enjoy the video. Here you go. Thank you. Keep supporting.